You want to live longer? You're got chili. Eating chili peppers has an anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-cancer, and high blood glucose effect. A recent study found that chili consumption may reduce the relative risk of deaths from cardiovascular disease and cancer. So what is the secret? The study was conducted by researchers at the Cardiovascular and Thoracic Institute at Cleveland Clinic in the United States, and was quoted by media outlets such as Newsweek and The Independent, and will be presented at the American Heart Association 2020 Scientific Sessions, which will be held November 13th to 17th. The researchers examined 4,729 studies, including 4 large studies that included healthy results for participants with data on chili consumption. Health and food records of more than 570,000 people in the United States, Italy, China, and Iran were used to compare the results of those who ate chili peppers with those who rarely or never ate it. Compared to individuals who rarely or never ate chili peppers, the analysis found that people who ate chili recorded relatively low, compared to those who did not eat or eat chili rarely, by 26% in cardiovascular mortality. A relatively 23% reduction in cancer deaths. A relatively low 25% in all causes of death. Previous studies have found that chili intake has an anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and high glucose effect due to capsaicin, which gives chili peppers light to severe properties when ingested. Lead author Bo Shaw, a cardiologist at the Cleveland Clinic's Cardiovascular and Thoracic Institute, said the exact causes and mechanisms that might explain the results are not yet known, so it is impossible to say conclusively that eating more chili can prolong life and reduce mortality, especially due to cardiovascular factors or cancer, noting the need for more research. The researcher also noted that the amount and type of chili consumed were variable between studies, making it difficult to draw conclusions about the amount, number of times and type of chili consumption that may be associated with health benefits. Cancer and heart. Although the microcellular mechanisms and the anti-cancer effects of capsaicin are still not fully understood, many studies have attributed them to apoptosis, cell cycle arrest, and anti-angiogenic effects within the tumor. According to data, capsaicin may play a role in killing prostate cancer cells by causing apoptosis, and capsaicin has benefits in increasing metabolism by burning fat and relieving topical pain. There is evidence that capsaicin has potentially beneficial effects on the cardiovascular system, as it is rich in capsaicin-sensitive sensory nerves that play a key role in regulating cardiovascular function through the release of neurotransmitters such as the peptide associated with the calcitonin gene peptide CGRP. The peptide associated with the calcitonin gene is one of the most powerful blood vessel dilators, plays an important role in regulating blood pressure in both pathological physiological conditions, and capsaicin stimulates its release and thus lowers blood pressure. Capsaicin has also been shown to lower blood pressure in high-rise rats and delays the onset of stroke in stroke-prone mice. On the other hand, eating too much or even too little capsaicin can cause nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain and diarrhea. Capsaicin protects the plant and benefits human health. The chili contains capsaicin, whose chemical name is 8-methyl-N-vanilla-6-nonamimide, 8-methyl-N-vanillyl-6-nonamide, a phenolic compound responsible for the distinctive taste and strength of chili peppers. Used as an ingredient in spices, pepper has been consumed by humans for over 6,000 years. Capsaicin can account for up to 1% of the chili mass, and capsaicin with salt is the most consumed by humans. The effects of capsaicin exceed taste, and data suggest that its use may improve human health. Capsaicin is produced in plants of the genus bell peppers, most likely due to its role in seed germination and parasite protection. In fact, capsaicin is not distributed evenly throughout the pepper fruit, as its concentration is higher in the area around the seeds, and this is directly related to the role of capsaicin in protecting seed germination, The aversion to eating large amounts of capsaicin keeps rodents and other mammals away, and this is an important mechanism to increase the chances of pepper germination, because mammals can grind and digest seeds, destroying seeds. On the other hand, birds cannot feel the taste of spam, and pepper seeds resist the digestive system of birds, making them the ideal consumer. Birds eat peppers, swallow seeds, and then scatter seeds elsewhere through their waste, helping to spread seeds and germinate elsewhere. Capsaicin also protects plants from parasites such as insects and mold, and humans have used this property to treat infectious diseases and preserve food. Capsaicin was first purified in 1876 and described as a formula in 1919.